Get your broom, Siler. Okay, let's go clean up this pile of dirt. Yep, come on. Here, come on. I need your help. Oh, that's helpful. Good. Yeah, that's very helpful. Good thing I didn't sweep in there today. Okay, can you clean up this? Very good. So helpful. So helpful. Are you sweeping? Are you sweeping? Yeah, I gotta get all that dog hair up. Are you gonna put it in your dustpan? Put the dog hair in your dustpan? You need some help, please? Okay.